Hi, I'm Henry Kilgore from the Young Lab at the Whitehead Institute, and I'm here to answer an interesting question from Samara, a ninth grader in Acton, Massachusetts. She's asked, how do proteins know where to go inside the cell? Well, our bodies are made up of billions of cells, and these cells work together to make everything we do possible, from cognition to fighting off infections. Inside each cell, there are over 10 billion tiny workers called proteins that carry out the tasks inside that the cell needs to perform to survive. But these proteins don't act alone. In fact, tens to thousands of different proteins often work together to form a shared task. To do this, they gather in special compartments inside the cell called condensates. You can think of them like meeting rooms where proteins come together to do that shared task. To learn more about condensates, check out this video by one of our scientists, Alessandra Delagnese, where she dives deeper into what they are and how scientists study them. So how do proteins know which condensates to go to? Well, every protein is made up of a chain of building blocks called amino acids. Researchers have discovered that the sequence of these amino acids acts like a code, helping guide each protein to the right condensate. This is why proteins that work together oftentimes have similar codes in their amino acid sequences. While scientists are still uncovering new details that may be hidden in amino acid sequence, but what we have found is so far pretty exciting. Proteins also carry a code that guides them where they should go, in addition to the one that we know about that guides the shapes they adopt. The idea that proteins collaborating is just one example of how on the molecular and cellular level things work better when they work together.